Welcome back to another Darex how-to video. Today we're going over how to change the grind wheels on your XT3000 or XT3000 Auto sharpener. You'll just need a few simple tools for this job, a set of Allen wrenches, and there's an optional wheel wrench which makes the process just a little bit easier. Part numbers on the screen now. Step 1. Make sure to disconnect the power. Step 2. Remove the sharpening port and place aside. Next, we'll remove the wheel cover. With the wheel cover removed, you can now access the wheel retainer. Use the wheel wrench to lock the wheel into place, or use your hand to hold the wheel in place while removing the screws. Now that you have removed the wheel retainer, simply pull the wheel off of the hub. You may need to jiggle back and forth to remove the wheel. In this section, we'll go over how to disassemble and reassemble your wheels, as you may need to change them at different times. The split point wheel can be changed independently of the main grind wheel. Remove the 3 screws from the back of the wheel, and take care to remove the 3 washers as well, saving them for reinstallation later. Now, simply remove the split point wheel. To reinstall the split point wheel, be sure the holes match up before you flip the wheel over. Reinstall the 3 screws in the back of the wheel. You are now ready to reinstall your grind wheel. Insert the wheel into the XT3000 housing and wiggle back and forth to be sure that the wheel is seated fully onto the hub. Then, reinstall your wheel retainer. From here, all that is left to do is to reassemble your sharpener. Reinstall the wheel cover and the sharpening port, and you're ready to go. For additional support, contact us at industrialsupport@darex.com or call our 800 number. Thanks for watching.